Hey everybody, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. We are South Carolina's exclusive Mastercraft dealer, and today I want to show you the all-new 2020 Mastercraft X26. And what a monster this boat is. This boat has a dry weight of 6,900 pounds with 4,150 pounds of ballast capacity. Talk about a wakeboard surfing machine for our upstate lakes. We did this boat in the Alpine white with the navy blue metallic outlined accent, and it comes color matched with a factory trailer, so you can take this thing all over to your boating needs. Right now I want to take you up inside the boat and show you all the features, including things like the bow thruster for easy docking and maneuvering that this boat has. Come on inside. And show you all the features that this boat has, including things like the transom rear lounge seating. What a phenomenal way and another new whole perspective on watching your friends surf and wakeboard back here on this boat, or just sitting back here lounging while you're anchored or moored off on each side of the boat. And it's got the flip up backrest for a little additional comfort. Our boat has the stepped through transom that's sea decked, which is really nice. It's got a compartment here that's heated that'll actually keep your life jackets warm in between those sets in the fall and early spring. This boat has the cool feel beach tan and coconut interior, and let me tell you about this cool feel upholstery, y'all. It does not get hot. You can be out in the full sun and literally sit right down on these seats and don't have to worry about laying towels out everywhere so you're comfortable. You can sit right on this upholstery in the middle of summer. It is an absolute game changer. Look how they contour these rear seats for added comfort. It is one of the most comfortable boats that you can be out on the lake and be surfing and have all the capabilities that this boat has. Of course, it's got the clamping swivel wakeboard racks, integrated bimini, quick folding tower. It has the set of 4 tower speakers, has the premium sound system and the dual screen dash, which means this boat has 2 subwoofers and 4 tower speakers for a total of 14 speakers on this boat, or just a monster stereo. Dual screen dash adds for a really versatile, easy to navigate, intuitive screen operation, and your bow thruster control is right here, easy to get next to the steering wheel and close to the throttle as well. This boat has a reversible co-pilot seat, so that passenger can be rear face watching everybody surf, or just engaging back here in this nice social area that this boat has to offer. Of course, we got the freshwater wash down, heating system, quick access to the trash can. And here's something that this boat has that no other surf boat has in the market right now, which is the side walk-through windshield. That allows for so much more room, and so much more room, in fact, that we're able to add this restroom area. So no more having to stop your set to go back to a dock or drop somebody off at a restaurant to go use the restroom. This boat has it all right here on board and easy to use. Also, that side walk-through allows for a huge wraparound bow on this boat. I mean, you can set 4 or 5 of your friends up here and be comfortable. Get all your cup holders, speakers, again, nice contoured backrest area. Just no other boat on the market like this right now. Again, we're really excited to get this thing on Lake Hartwell or Lake Kiwi. So come see us today. We'd be glad to take you out on a demo on it as well. Like again, MarineMax, Greenville, South Carolina. Come see T, Scott, or myself. Thank you.